When was the last time you truly rested? Not collapsed, not zoned out, but rested. If your body's been whispering, slow down, it's not weakness, it's wisdom. Because in winter, rest is medicine. Welcome back to the Longevity Path with Dr. Eva, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. I'm an acupuncturist, mom, and guide for women rediscovering health through warmth, energy flow, and ease. This week, we're talking about stillness, the kind that doesn't come from exhaustion, but from permission. In traditional Chinese medicine, winter is governed by the water element, and the water element is connected to the kidneys, and the kidneys are the root of your vitality, longevity. The kidneys hold what's called Jing, your life essence, and they thrive on rest. But modern life treats rest like a luxury instead of fuel. So when you feel wired but tired, or your sleep feels shallow, that's your kidney energy saying, I'm depleted, but I can rebuild if you let me rest. Rest isn't just absence of activity. It's the presence of repair. Let's talk about the nervous system's love language. I know it's disappointing, but your nervous system doesn't recharge through willpower. It recharges through slowness. In TCM, the kidneys govern fear and willpower. When they're overtaxed, we feel anxious, restless, or numb. Warmth, stillness, and soft breath tell the body, you're safe. Go ahead and power down. So if your liver chi had a love language, it would be acts of stillness. Every nap, every warm bath, which I think I might need right now. Every bedtime is like sending your body a love letter. I want you to think of rest as deep medicine. So let's redefine rest. It's not laziness. It's strategic replenishment. Let me give you 3 ways to recharge your yin and your kidneys this week. The warm cocoon practice. Okay, place a warm compress or infrared pad over your low back. And this is great to do before bed. And you want to breathe into this space because this is where your kidney chi lives. Imagine that warmth refilling your inner battery, like we're hooking you up to a phone charger. Let's talk about the gentle yin flow. You can spend 5 to 10 minutes before sleep in child's pose or with your legs up the wall. These postures can move lymph and ground the mind. Let's talk about the 9 p.m. reset. This is the 3rd technique. Try being horizontal by 10 p.m. Every hour of sleep before midnight counts double for kidney energy and recovery. Okay, now let's talk about emotional rest. Emotional rest means not carrying everything or everyone in your energy field. If you're a caretaker, your nervous system might be fluent in hypervigilance, which isn't very good for you. But winter invites you to learn a new language. Surrender. Let warmth, silence, and stillness be your therapy this week. Comment below, what are your favorite techniques for bringing this in? Rest doesn't make you fall behind. It helps you to arrive whole. So this season, try to let softness lead. I know it's tough for us ladies, but you got to do it. And you might be surprised at how you perform after you rest well. Until next time, stay rooted, radiant, and beautifully balanced.